Hi everyone and welcome to the third tutorial of Capcut. In this video we are going to see how you can add text and text effects in Capcut. I'm going to create a new project right here, and I will split this in three parts: one, two, and three. Okay, now I want my first text to be right here, the second text to be right here, and the third one to be right here. Okay, I will move the cursor to the first one and click on this text button, and from here I can add the text. Okay, let's suppose I will write at this is first text. Okay, cool. Now you can see I have the slider just like the photo on the text one. I can increase or decrease the size of this timeline. If I want this text to be at the first footage, so I will adjust it accordingly. Okay, when double click on the text button, I have different font options. Let's suppose I want this one. I can click on it. This one, you have various font option right here. The next one is the style button, from where you can add different styles to your text. Okay, this is cool. The next thing is we can add effects to our text. If you want to add some effects to the text, you can add from here. Okay, so it is good. Now the next thing is the animation. So what animation does is it will animate your text. Let's suppose I will click on this one. You can see uh, your text has been animated, and at the bottom you have the time. You want your text to be animated like 0.3 second, you can adjust it right here. And if you want your text to be animated like 2.8 second, you can adjust it, and then click on this tick button. Now play the video and you will see it will add the text for you. Now in the same way, I want to add some another text on the second clip. I will say this is second text. Okay, let's style this like this and animate it like this, and increase the duration of the animation, and click on tick one and adjust the timeline accordingly. Okay, now play the video from the start. So we can see this is the first text, and the next thing is this is the second text. And now as the same way, I will add the third text right here. I can change the style from here, add some effects if I want, and then animate it like this and adjust the timeline. Okay, now play the video. You can see this is the first text and this is the second text, and the next thing is we got our third text. So in this way you can add different type of text in your video. Another thing, if you want this first text to last at the end of the video, and for example, if you want this is the first text to be cover the whole video, just simply delete this text from here. I'm sorry, delete them, and when you click on it, you can manually do it like this. You can adjust it. But if you have a long project, what you have to do is you have the option of lasting text right here. So it would automatically last your text on the whole video. If I play the video, you can see I have the same text on three of them.